Avoir.
To have. To have.
J'ai une belle famille.
I have a beautiful family. I have a beautiful family.
Être.
To be. To be.
Qui êtes-vous?
Who are you? Who are you?
Je suis haïtien.
I am Haitian. I am Haitian.
Faire.
To do. To do.
Je fais ce que je veux.
I do what I want. I do what I want.
Aller.
To go. To go.
Elle veut aller au magasin.
She wants to go to the store. She wants to go to the store.
Parler.
To speak. To speak.
Il parle anglais et créole.
He speaks English and Creole. He speaks English and Creole.
Dire.
To say. To say.
Elle dit qu'elle m'aime.
She says she loves me. She says she loves me.
Venir.
To come. To come.
Viens avec moi.
Come with me. Come with me.
Partir.
To leave. To leave.
Je dois vous quitter.
I have to leave you. I have to leave you.
Croire.
To believe. To believe.
Je crois en toi.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Aimer.
To love. To love.
Nous t'aimons beaucoup.
We love you very much. We love you very much.
Appeler.
To call. To call.
Je t'appelle maintenant.
I am calling you now. I am calling you now.
Vouloir.
To want. To want.
Je veux te voir ce soir.
I want to see you tonight. I want to see you tonight.
Pouvez.
Can. Can.
Tu peux le faire.
You can do it. You can do it.
Demander.
To ask. To ask.
Puis-je vous demander une faveur?
Can I ask you a favor? Can I ask you a favor?
Répondre.
To answer. To answer.
Alex ne répond pas au téléphone.
Alex doesn't answer the phone. Alex doesn't answer the phone.
Accepter.
To accept. To accept.
Veuillez accepter mes excuses.
Please accept my apologies. Please accept my apologies.
Inviter.
To invite. To invite.
Je t'inviterai à mon anniversaire.
I will invite you to my birthday. I will invite you to my birthday.
Arriver.
To arrive. To arrive.
James est arrivé à l'heure.
James arrived on time. James arrived on time.
À savoir.
To know. To know.
Je le connais très bien.
I know him very well. I know him very well.
Expliquer.
To explain. To explain.
Pouvez-vous expliquer la réponse?
Can you explain the answer? Can you explain the answer?
Refuser.
To refuse. To refuse.
Je refuse de travailler pour lui.
I refuse to work for him. I refuse to work for him.
Annuler.
To cancel. To cancel.
J'annule mon rendez-vous.
I cancel my appointment. I cancel my appointment.
Étudier.
To study. To study.
J'étudie l'anglais tous les jours.
I study English every day. I study English every day.
Se plaindre.
To complain. To complain.
Elle se plaint de tout.
She complains about everything. She complains about everything.
Rester.
To stay. To stay.
Elle m'a demandé de rester plus longtemps.
She asked me to stay longer. She asked me to stay longer.
Gagner.
To win. To win.
Je dois gagner ce match.
I have to win this game. I have to win this game.
Perdre.
To lose. To lose.
J'ai perdu mes clés.
I lost my keys. I lost my keys.
Chercher.
To look for. To look for.
Je cherche mes clés.
I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys.
Trouver.
To find. To find.
Je trouverai mes clés.
I will find my keys. I will find my keys.
Jouer.
To play. To play.
Jouons au football.
Let's play football. Let's play football.
Prendre.
To take. To take.
Laissez-moi prendre ceci.
Let me take this. Let me take this.
Avoir.
To see. To see.
J'aimerais la voir.
I would like to see her. I would like to see her.
Sourire.
To smile. To smile.
Elle m'a souri.
She smiled at me. She smiled at me.
Aimer.
To like. To like.
J'aime tellement ton sourire.
I like your smile so much. I like your smile so much.
Suivre.
To follow. To follow.
Suivez-moi sur Facebook.
Follow me please on Facebook. Follow me please on Facebook.
Conduire.
To drive. To drive.
Avez-vous déjà appris à conduire?
Have you learned to drive yet? Have you learned to drive yet?
Oublier.
To forget. To forget.
J'ai oublié mon mot de passe.
I forgot my password. I forgot my password.
Mettre.
To put. To put.
J'ai mis des fleurs dans le vase.
I put some flowers in the vase. I put some flowers in the vase.
Comprendre.
To understand. To understand.
Je comprends très bien.
I understand very well. I understand very well.
Avoir à doigt.
To have to must. To have to must.
Je dois partir maintenant.
I have to go now. I have to go now.
Manger.
To eat. To eat.
C'est cher de manger à l'extérieur.
It's expensive to eat out. It's expensive to eat out.
Boire.
To drink. To drink.
James boit du café.
James drinks coffee.